Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be using this hairdryer brush again, and we're going to be blowing out my hair so that we can do a length check for my hair. A lot of you guys have been requesting this from me again. I'm not too sure why, because I recently did one like literally 4 months ago. But anyway, this is the length check video. So I'm going to be taking out my hair, which was detangled and washed, and I'm going to be applying some heat spray. This is from Schwarzkopf Heat and Style Heat Protectant Spray. Making sure to spray each section of my hair thoroughly. I do not want any damage. I really don't like blow drying my hair. It's not something that I like to do. I was, however, very shocked by the length that my hair was at. I think if I had actually gone the extra step and blow dried it even more and then gone in with a silk press or something like that, honestly, that baby would have been real long, but this is about as good as we're gonna get. So I just went through and thoroughly blow dried the hair, straightening it while also not passing through the hair too much. I also made sure that I had it on the lowest heat instead of the highest heat so that I can control the amount of heats that it was getting. So this is what a portion of my hair looks like. So I'm going to go in and do the rest of my hair with the same technique. While we discuss a little bit, there's a few things that I wanted to say to you guys and a few things I wanted to ask. For those of you who are not on Instagram, who don't follow me on Instagram, it was my birthday on the 15th of October. I turned 24, yay! So I just wanted to thank you guys and thank God for 24 years of life, and for you guys, my subscribers, especially my notification gang. Thank you. I appreciate you. And for my birthday present, I wanted to ask you guys to comment down below any content ideas or any videos that you would like for me to make. Comment that down below. That can be my present for my birthday. If you want to go the extra mile, make sure to comment, make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. Okay, that's all from me. So as you can see, as I was blow drying the hair, I was also putting it into a twist so that I just don't accidentally blow dry another section or add too much heat. After I was done, I went back and undid all the twists that I had done and brushed out the hair a little bit so that we can get into the measuring process. Okay, so don't judge me here. I could not find a ruler anywhere in the house. Thus, I am using a tape measure. This is the best I could find, you know. It was late, the shops were closed, there's not much I could do. So the tape measure is what we're going to be using. It still does the same job, honestly. So I'm going to be comparing my measurements to the last length check that I did, which was in July. So we're going to see how much my hair has grown in the past 4 months. So the back corner section of my hair was 24 centimeters in July or June and is now 26 centimeters in October. And I'm going to do the temple portion of my hair. Back in June, July, it was 22 centimeters, and now in October, it is about 25 centimeters, 25.5, give or take, 25 centimeters. The front portion of my head, back in June, July, it was... The front portion of my hair back in June, July, it was 21 centimeters. And now in October, it is 24 centimeters. and the dead center middle section of my hair back in June, July, it was 20 centimeters and now it is 23 centimeters. Take into account also that my hair was not stretched out back in June, July, but now it has been stretched out. But I did try and make sure that I didn't do any pulling when I was measuring the hair. So overall, there is a mean growth of 2.75 centimeters over 4 months through my entire hair. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. Don't forget to ring that notification so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.